Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GusandShow.com. If you're looking to buy a house, conventional, FHA, non-QM, whatever you're looking to do, your credit scores are very important to your pricing, your down payment, your rate, all of it. So let's keep this in mind. So if you have high credit card balances and you're like, no, let's wait until I pay my credit cards down. It's okay, we can run your credit now and you can let us advise you what credit cards to pay down. We don't want you out there paying your credit cards down to zero. So when you pay your credit cards down to zero, it actually can hurt your score. So it's better to have a little bit of balance on there. If you're over 33% usage on the credit cards, it'll hurt your score. So that means if you got a credit card limit of $1,000 and you got $350 on that credit card that you're paying on, then you're over the 33%, it'll hurt. And if you go to 50%, it's even more worse. If it's 66%, it's even bad. If you're maxed out, it's really bad. And some credit cards allow you to go over, and that's really, really bad for your credit score. So the credit card balances really affect your credit score. So remember, zeros can be bad. If you pay all your credit cards to zero, your score is not going to go up because the credit cards, the credit scoring system wants to see you using your credit and paying balances. They don't want you to see you have 10 credit cards that are open for 3 years and you never use them. That's not good credit. Good credit is when you're actively using your credit cards and you're paying on them. So that's what the credit card balances are good to have, but you want to keep them small relative to the limits. Now, if you have one credit card with a $10,000 limit and another credit card with a $1,000 limit and you got $350 on the one credit card, then you're below the 33% usage because it takes the cumulative balances of high credit balances and your current balances. So you really would be like a 3% credit card usage. So you don't have to have each credit card individually below 33%. But remember, if we run your credit, we're not stuck to your credit score at that point. We can fix your credit, we can repair it by paying your credit card balances down. And keep in mind, sometimes paying a collection won't help. So if you think you're doing something on your own and you're not talking to a mortgage advisor and you think you're helping your credit score and you're wasting money by paying all these collections off because it may not help your score, maybe you can use that money for down payment or closing costs or other things that would be more beneficial than paying off those collections. So paying off collections is not always a good thing. And when it comes to charge-offs on our FHA loans, we don't count them against you. Don't pay those off. Conventional, it's up to the computer to determine if you have to pay them off or how we're going to hit you for them. So we don't know that until we run you through an automated system, what conventional is going to tell us to do about the charge-offs. But FHA, we won't count them against you, so don't pay those off. If you got any questions, it's kind of complicated. I can't go over all of it today, so give me a call. I love to talk to people. You're never bothering me. 630-915-7550. I will answer your questions any time of the day. If you call me at 3 in the morning, I won't be mad. I just may not pick up. Thank you very much.